The setting needs to be an emotionally warm setting. There needs to be an opportunity for children to form strong emotional attachments with the staff who are working with them. It needs to be very strongly play-based, and it needs to be supporting children's oral language development and, crucially, what we in developmental psychology refer to as their self-regulatory abilities, their abilities to become aware of their own emotions, their own cognitions, and thereby to take control of their own mental functioning. Self-regulatory abilities powerfully predict both academic achievement and emotional well-being over the long term. Many studies now are showing this. There's a recent study, for example, in the States, in the United States, where they measured children's ability to maintain their attention on a task at the age of 4, and the children who had high levels of self-regulation at the age of 4 were significantly more likely to get a high-quality first degree, to have got through college by the age of 25 successfully. On the emotional and social side, we know that children with these abilities are more likely to develop the ability to make friends, to work collaboratively in groups with other individuals. As an adult, they're more likely, again, there are a couple of studies showing they're more likely to own their own house, to have a well-paid job. They're much less likely to be engaged in criminal activity. So it is vitally important that we intervene, and intervene early. We have a situation where our youngest children are being cared for and taught by our least qualified, lowest status, worst paid educators. This makes no sense. Anybody who works with young children recognizes that to the business of supporting them through play and through activity, to learn and to develop in the way that I've described is a complex job requiring considerable intellectual and emotional intelligence from the people who work with them. It's not a simple task, and we need staff who are able, well qualified, are aware of the latest evidence on child development, and so forth. And at the moment, that's simply lacking in many aspects of provision, worldwide, and that's what we really need to build on. So, my one recommendation, my key recommendation for policymakers in terms of, if they've got a certain level of financial budget that they want to aim towards early childhood education, is to spend it on enhancing the pay and the training and qualifications of the staff. That's really important.